So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond.
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's
Brat walked into the courtroom like she owned the place. She actually raised her voice at Judge Simpson, demanding to know why she couldn't leave jail, even though she was locked up for assault. The entitlement was unreal, like she thought the rules didn't apply to her. Most judges would have shut that down instantly, but Simpson kept his cool, calm, and steady. Now the question is, should she be released or stay right where she is? Let's take a look.
Public defender Lauren Attorney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. And is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim's loan.
And the monetary amount,
We talked
5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now? All right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do we?
I'll never understand people like this. If you're in trouble for assault, the obvious move is to hire a lawyer, not scream at a judge. That's the fastest way to make things worse. She acted like a kid throwing a fit, and honestly, most kids handle themselves better. But it's not just silly, it's dangerous. She's already accused of assault, and now she's showing total disrespect in court. That attitude proves she's living in her own little world. What's scary is that people like her are everywhere, shopping next to you, sitting in traffic, waiting at the gym, ready to snap. Court is supposed to be serious, but she tried to turn it into a circus. Honestly, it just shows she wasn't raised with much discipline. Big credit to Judge Simpson, though. His patience is on another level. He stayed calm and firm the entire time. Compared to other judges, he's easily one of the best at handling these situations. And the sad part is, entitlement like hers is becoming more and more common. People think yelling or throwing a tantrum is the way out.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. If I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she ain't got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this and
Can't wait for Brett's trial, because if this hearing was just the warm-up, the trial is going to be a show. My guess? She'll serve the full 90 days. She's already done 30, so about 2 months left. And honestly, the longer she's in jail, the better for everyone else. Even if she gets lucky and avoids the whole sentence, her behavior made this hearing almost unbearable to watch. She even gave her old lawyer a dirty look, like it was their fault she ended up behind bars. Reality check. You're here because you assaulted someone, not because of your lawyer. That's why rules in court can't bend just because someone shouts. If they did, entitled people like her would run wild. So, what do you think? Should she serve all 90 days, or does she deserve another chance? Thanks for watching. See you in the next